Take 4, let's see if I can make it quick. Hello, in this video I'm showing the work in progress on a project I've been working for the last 2 weeks, learning a ton of shit. But start with Blender, where, as you can see, there is a 3D scan of a bike loaded it in, and it is made with Metashape using a video frames taken by someone, and it is well known how to load this all into Blender and then load the camera move and then combine it with the pictures themselves. And then if you look through the camera, you can make it so that you're looking at your model through the lens where the image itself that was used for create a model is used as an overlay. So you can create more details and you can see actual picture of a thing. Yeah, so this is well known how to do in Blender. But I'm a crazy person who likes to model in Fusion, so I created my own plugin basically that recreates that feature in Blender. Showing you 2 weeks of research and understanding the plugin system of Fusion and how it works. And it's far from perfect in terms of usability. Well, I will see how usable that is and how useful. But yeah, so basically what's happening while I'm moving it, I'm keep changing the position of the camera, first of all, that is read from this Chan file. And then also I'm putting the canvas, and I'm constantly changing the canvas, the image and its position. For example, if I just press OK, and let's just do something like this named view, and I go away, then you can see that it's just a canvas with the picture. Somewhere I can move it farther. It's still work in progress. And now if I go back to this view, here you go, it's perfectly aligned with the model. And yeah, the one big problem I discovered that you can't like zoom in. It's all breaking down because in Blender you do able to zoom in, and I'm not sure how this lack of ability will affect the usefulness of this feature. But here you go. I mean, you can go and create another angle, let's turn that off so it's not in the way. I don't know, like, okay, I want that angle. I want to see this shulker container. Now if I press N, okay, I'll save in the view. Yeah, that's the container, that's the picture, that's the model. I can go away, I can do my thing, and then I can come back and compare with how it aligns. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to show it's a work in progress. I don't know how useful that will be. Maybe I can use this multiple view thingy where in one of the views it is aligned, and in the other views you just keep working on it, and then comparing with this one. I don't know, we'll see, but that's pretty much it.